Welcome back. So, last time we laid the groundwork for operations and monitoring. Today, we're really going to level up. So, you might want to grab your trench coat and magnifying glass because we are officially opening a case: advanced troubleshooting in the cloud. Okay, let's just dive right into a scenario that every single DevOps engineer has nightmares about, right? The pager is screaming, users are flooding support with error reports, and every second of downtime is costing the company money. A critical application has just tanked. This isn't just a bug, my friend. This is a crime scene. And you're the lead detective. So where do you even start? Every good investigation starts with one fundamental question that helps you narrow down the suspects. We have to figure out the location of the crime. Is the slowdown happening on the communication lines between our different microservices? Or is this an inside job, a problem lurking deep within the code of one single service? So let's look at our first case file. We'll call it the case of the slow getaway. Your application, it's making a bunch of calls to other microservices to get a single job done, but the whole thing is just moving in slow motion. Somewhere in that chain of communication, there is a serious bottleneck. The question is, which link in the chain is the weak one? For this kind of mystery, your go-to tool is absolutely CloudTrace. The best way to think about it is like a package tracker for your app's requests. Seriously. It follows one single request as it hops from service to service, and it tells you exactly how long it spent at each stop. It can pinpoint the problem with amazing precision, showing you that, oh, the request just sat idle at service B for 5 whole seconds before it moved on. It is the perfect tool for hunting down that inter-service latency. But what if the package arrives on time and you're still having problems? Well, that brings us to our second case, the inside job. In this scenario, users are getting database timeouts, and when you look at the metrics, you see the application's memory usage just climbing and climbing until it crashes. The problem isn't the delivery route here. It's what's happening inside the factory. For an inside job, you need a totally different tool. So you pull out Cloud Profiler. This is like the factory efficiency expert for your code. It doesn't care about the roads between services. It walks the factory floor, analyzing the CPU and memory consumption of a single service, sometimes right down to the line of code. It's designed to find which specific process is causing the slowdown and spot that inefficiency right at the source. And that constantly growing heap usage we saw? Oh yeah, that is a classic textbook sign of a memory leak. The profiler basically shows us that the application is hoarding memory like a squirrel hoarding nuts for winter that never ever comes. It just keeps grabbing more and more resources without ever releasing them until eventually, poof, it runs out of space and the whole thing comes crashing down. So, now that we have this evidence, you've got a couple of paths forward. There's the quick fix, right? The Band-Aid. Just give the application more memory to play with. But the real detective work, the permanent solution, is to use the data from the profiler to hunt down the exact lines of code causing that leak and fix the root cause for good. So, to just kind of wrap up the investigation phase, it is all about choosing the right tool for the job. Is the problem between your services? You need CloudTrace, the package tracker. Is the problem inside a service? Well, then you need Cloud Profiler, the factory expert. Honestly, knowing which one to grab first is half the battle won right there. But solving the case is only part of the job, right? A truly great detective also knows how to manage their evidence. You can't just toss clues into a messy drawer and hope for the best. In our world, in the world of DevOps, this means we have to effectively organize our monitoring data so we can prevent future crimes and, just as importantly, reduce all the noise. And let's be real, the biggest challenge here is alert fatigue. I mean, in any big company, you've got dozens of environments, dev, staging, production, and they're all generating a constant fire hose of data. You need a system that isn't going to wake up the on-call engineer at 3 a.m. just because some test environment had a little hiccup. That's just noise, and it distracts everyone from the real emergencies. The solution is to use something called scoping projects. Think of this like creating a dedicated evidence room just for your most critical production-level cases. By setting up a new project that only monitors your production services, you can filter out all the noise from all the other environments. This gives your team one single, clean dashboard that's focused only on the metrics that actually impact your users. And as you're organizing all this data, you're pretty much going to run into two main types of metrics. A gauge is kind of like a speedometer. Its value can go up or down, and it shows you a snapshot in time, like your current CPU usage. Then you have a cumulative metric, which is more like an odometer. It only ever increases, tracking a running total, like the total number of requests you served. All right, now for the cold cases. Some evidence you have to archive for the long haul. I mean, for compliance reasons, especially if you're in finance or government, you might be required by law to keep application logs for 7 years or sometimes even longer. Now, trying to store 7 years of data in your primary high-speed logging tool, I mean, the costs would be absolutely astronomical. The solution here is a log sync. What this does is it automatically exports your old logs to cheap, long-term cloud storage. It's exactly like moving old case files from your desk to a secure offsite archive. It keeps you compliant without completely breaking the bank. Okay, so after that long investigation, what have we learned? Let's try and distill all of this down into a really simple cheat sheet that you can use on your next case. And here it is, your detective's decision matrix. This right here is the most important takeaway. If you see slow microservices, you grab your package tracker. That's CloudTrace. If you're seeing high CPU or RAM, you call in the factory expert, Cloud Profiler. And if you need to archive logs to stay compliant, you set up your cold storage with a log sync. This simple guide is going to save you critical time when that pager goes off. See, by mastering this toolkit of tracing, profiling, and organizing, you really elevate your role. You're no longer just a bug fixer. You are a true detective, the Sherlock Holmes of your cloud environment. The only question left is, what mystery are you going to solve next?